Let me show you how to connect Google Tag Manager to Claude using the InsightfulPipe MCP and pull a full tracking and performance report. Go to InsightfulPipe Connectors, click the Add Connection button, then choose Google Tag Manager from the available platforms, set the access level, and click Connect. Sign in with your Google account, grant access, then select the account you want to connect and click Connect. Container connected. Copy the InsightfulPipe MCP server URL. In Claude, open Settings, go to Connectors, click the Add Custom Connector button, paste the InsightfulPipe MCP URL, give it a name, then click the Add button. Click Connect to authorize and link it. Connected. Now, write a prompt asking Claude to analyze your Google Tag Manager setup and produce a tracking report. Focus on tags, triggers, variables, built-in variables, container version, and workspace status, with clear recommendations to improve website tracking, marketing visibility, and data accuracy. Claude reads your container through InsightfulPipe and builds the tracking report. Here is the report. It opens on container insightfulpipe.com live version 8. It's a mature deployment, 14 tags, 28 triggers, 41 user-defined variables, and 17 built-ins enabled. Overall health, 9.2 out of 10. 34 tags grouped into 5 clusters, 6 analytics and GA4, 5 Google Ads conversions, 4 Meta and Facebook, 3 LinkedIn and B2B, and the rest covering engagement and utilities like Clarity, Hotjar, Scroll Depth, and the CookieBot consent loader. The variable library holds 41 user-defined plus 17 built-ins, with a clean data layer group and hashed PII for email and phone. Server-side tagging routes through AGTM insightfulpipe.com. GA4 on full traffic, Meta CAPI at 60%, recovering up to 40% of events lost to ad blockers. What's working? Mature discipline, centralized constants, hashed PII at the GTM layer, consent mode, firing correctly, and comprehensive click and form tracking. What's missing? Cross-domain isn't configured for the billing subdomain, enhanced conversions are partial, Ajax forms have a blind spot, no 404 tracking, and a stale CRO experiments workspace. Recommendations. This week, add a cross-domain linker, extend enhanced conversions to the remaining Google Ads tags, apply bot and internal traffic exclusion, and update the page type lookup. Over the next 30 days, swap the DOM form, listener for HubSpot's on-form submit, add a JavaScript error listener, and expand the Meta CAPI payload. That's Google Tag Manager connected to Claude using InsightfulPipe. If you'd like to try more MCP servers for your marketing platforms, visit insightfulpipe.com today.